Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add an Ukraine flag to your Facebook profile. It's very simple and easy, just follow these simple steps, and first you're gonna open up Facebook application and next to click on your profile icon just right here. Then click on your photo. Here we need to select add frame and here at this search we need to write down Ukraine. And there we got some options. We can select between them. I will take the first. And now I see how my profile will look like. And here I got some extra options like make this flag temporary. If I will select that, I can choose a time, and during that time this flag will be displayed and then it will be disappeared. And also I can share this update to newsfeed or not by checking this field or not. I will not share this update to the newsfeed and I'll just tap on save button and then type OK to sync this to Instagram too. So now you know how to add Ukraine flag to your Facebook profile. Make sure you liked this video if this information was helpful for you, and see you next time.